everyone, Victoria is here. Welcome to my studio. Many of you guys asked me to show my tips for beginners how you can use Generative Fill in Adobe Firefly. I heard you and today is the day. So let's start. First thing first, we will need to go to Firefly website. Follow the link firefly.adobe.com. Here in Generative Fill area, click on Generate and you will be redirected to Generative Fill workspace. Click on Upload Image. Locate to any image you would like to work with. Click on Upload. And just like that, you are in Generative Fill working area. On the left side of your screen, you can see Insert, Remove, and Pen. Today, we will work with Insert. Differences are between Insert and Remove. You can use Insert when you would like to add something to your image, and you can use Remove when you want to remove something from your image. Today we will add flowers to our road. So I have selected Insert. I will make my brush size bigger and I will paint over this road. As you can see, I painted over this road and also I painted a little bit over our flowers and the grass, just like that. In the prompt text area, I will type nothing. I will leave it empty and I will click on Generate. Generative Fill will analyze what I ask Generative Fill to do and will do the job, basically. And look at this. Generative Fill generated 4 different images for me. I can choose any of those. My favorite is this one. No, let's see. This one. It's like a road never wasn't there. It's like a beautiful field of lavender flowers with grass and everything like that. Beautiful, beautiful images. If you would like to see more of what Generative Fill can do, click on More and Generative Fill will generate 4 new images for you. And just like that, Generative Fill generated 4 different images for me. By the way, Generative Fill did not remove first set of images it generated for us. You can click on any of those. You can choose any of generated images. It's any image you like the most. I like this one the most, so I will keep it. And after that, I will click Download to download it to my drive. But now, let's work on another image. I will click on Upload Image one more time. I will select this beautiful morning. I believe it's summer morning. I love this image. I love colors, mood, and feeling of this image. But I believe this image needs some improvement. So what I will do, I will click on Insert. I will increase size of my brush and I will paint over this area. Just like that. In prompt text area, I will type swan. Yes, I'm asking Generative Fill to add swan to our lake. After I typed my prompt, this prompt is very simple, just a swan, and I will click on Generate. Again, Firefly will analyze my prompt and will generate 4 different images of swans for me and for you. And look at this. 4 different images of swans. And let's talk about what we have now. Firefly generated 4 different images of swan. Generative Fill preserved colors and mood of our image and did add the colors, light, and mood to our swan. But also, Generative Fill did add swan's reflection to the water. This is incredible. This is wow factor. So I love this one the most. I will click on keep because I would like to keep this image and I will download it. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, as always, just ask. I'm here for you. I hope you will create something after this tutorial and you will share your generative AI with me on Twitter or Instagram. And please tag me in your creation so I can see it. And I cannot wait to see what you will create. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you later.